Good afternoon, dear students. How are you all? See, I'm here to continue the science class. We are going to start a fourth unit, as we have learnt in last fourth unit, that is metals and non-metals. And today we are going to start a new topic, unit fifth, in the science subject, that is coal and petroleum. Coal and petroleum. See, dear students, we have important aspects which we are going to understand here. That is, on this earth various materials are there which, as we are using our basic needs, most of as natural substances or natural resources which we are using for to survive our life, as well as for some the man made, the effort of man which is making different types of the substances which is useful for us for our life activities. Is it right? As you know that, dear students, if you go and compare that from the birth of the man, from the evolution of life, we have to understand that how many changes took place on this earth day by day. Is it right? So one day the man doesn't know how he has to walk, and then how he has to wear the clothes, how he has to eat food, he doesn't know. But nowadays he can fly for other planets, he can fly for the space, he can manage different types of the activities. Is it right? A number of changes took place. Okay, dear students, here have think about the different types of aspects, as like water, minerals, soil. All these substances obtained from the nature. Is it right? So this type of like sunlight, if you go, if air, soil, water, they are called as natural resources, what we call natural resources. And then you know about that, because of the activity of man only, these natural resources are going to be exhausting. Is it right? We only with our hands we are destroying our natural resources for the purpose of our sake only. Is it right? We doesn't know that these natural resources, how important for us and how they are going to helpful in the future for us or for our generation. But for the present purpose, we are destroying these resources. Dear students, in the light of availability of these various resources in the nature, we have to understand broadly about different kinds of natural resources. So what kind of natural resources we are using, how we are using these resources, we have to classify. Dear students, natural resources are classified into two categories according to the basis of our use and the performances what we are using with the help of these natural resources, that are classified as two, which is one is inexhaustible natural resource. One is inexhaustible natural resource and another one is exhaustible natural resource. Inexhaustible natural resource and another one is exhaustible natural resource. So what is the mean of these two? What's the difference between these two? See, dear students, in the present situation, we have to understand here that which resource is we can able to use unlimitedly. The resource, a natural resource, we can able to use unlimitedly, and we can able to manage that the higher quantity in our nature. That resource is called as inexhaustible resources. That means for a long period of time we can able to use it. The stock of that is unlimited. So that type of resources we can call as the inexhaustible resources, which we call as like sunlight and air. Is it right? If we come to the exhaustible natural resources, there is a limit to use. In limited way we have to use that one. So these can be exhausted because of the human activities for few days. So that type of resources called as exhaustible resources. For example, if you go forest, is it right? We are destroying the forest, more a number of plants were destroying because of our activities. Wildlife, if we are destroying the forest, wildlife destroys. And minerals like coal, petroleum, natural gas, is it right? All these products also going to be destroyed because of our activities. And you know, dear students, number of eatables, if you go, that we have depend on the plants. Is it right? Completely dependent on the plants to survive our life in the process of nutrition. Is it right? Even you know, dear students, in this chapter we are going to learn more about the exhaustible natural resources. Exhaustible natural resources like coal, petroleum and natural gas. You know, dear students, this we have obtaining on this earth with the help of the energy which we that getting from the dead plants, dead bodies of the plants and animals, which is remains from a long years, from ago, from number of years, which is remains in the layers of the earth, which we call as the fossils or fossil fuels. It is known as, these fuels are known as fossil fuels. So we are learning about the fossil fuels in this class, like coal, and then next one is petroleum and natural gas. Okay, dear students, so try to understand this class, and I sent one of the video that I am requesting you to respond the classes as possible, and also do the work what I am giving you. So I am giving you a work for you, that is you have to do it and send it to me. Okay, thank you everyone, take care, bye.